Yeah,
Yes, we do.
so it is something to celebrate actually today, and especially if you live in the Southern Plains. Today is National Air Conditioning Day.
All right, they're going to be cranking the AC. Actually, it's probably humming already. In the Lone Star State, temperatures in the upper 90s, low 100s. This is just the beginning of a hot stretch here. So let's keep your AC in tip-top shape with our good buddy, expert, home improvement expert, Danny Lipford, coming at us from Mobile this morning. Hey, Danny, how you doing? Let's talk about
doing
this.
great.
First of all,
Thanks, Jim.
I'm trying to think, how far back do we go with AC? When was it invented?
Well, we can certainly appreciate Willis Carrier inventing the air conditioner in
Carrier. There we go.
1902. So
Wow.
let me set this up. So he was on a foggy railroad platform, and he realized he could cool air by passing it through water, creating fog. Control the moisture, you control the air conditioning and the temperature in your home. That was the start of it. First application was in a printing factory in Brooklyn that they could not get their printing goods dry. This created a drier atmosphere, and that's where it all started in 1902.
It was all about the dew point, even back
Yes.
then, right? It was all about
right.
dropping that dew point.
That's right.
It's key, actually, in a comfort factor. But let's talk about keeping your home comfortable, making sure your AC is in tip-top shape. What do we need to be doing on our units?
Well, we always talk about the filter, but I'm telling you, the filter is so important, and it's also important to use a quality filter. An electrostatic filter looks similar to other ones that you have. This one will cost you about $12, but it'll last 3 months instead of just 1 month. They also have some excellent ones that are great for getting rid of any of the allergens that are floating around in your house, pet dander, dust, all of those things that will definitely affect the longevity of your air conditioning system. Very important. Also, this time of the year when the air conditioning is working so hard, all of us need to remember to take that cup of bleach and pour it in the little white tube that's right by your air conditioning system that's going to keep that drain line nice and clear and keep that condensation and moisture going outside and not causing you any problems inside.
I didn't know that. I got to start doing that.
Yeah, you got to keep that stuff out. The other thing too, Danny, is some of those filters can be really expensive, and they may not be the best for your house. But the other thing I want to talk about was, how do you know your air conditioner is working right? It's 100 degrees outside, but yet I can't get my house down below 85. What's going on?
Well, so many times it's cleaning the the condenser coil inside your house. Pretty tough for a homeowner to do that. That's why it's so important at least twice a year to have your professional from Carrier come out and really clean that condensation coil and make sure everything is calibrated right. That way it's running efficiently, it's running like it should. They'll also check to make sure your ductwork is not leaking. Very, very important, especially during this time of the year. And also they'll make sure it's operating safely.
Yeah, you don't
And
want to
do
be
it in
without.
April, not
you don't. Yes,
July.
You don't want
Do
to be
it in
without
April.
working AC in July. Danny Lipford, thank you so much from
Appreciate
today's
you, buddy.
Homeowner. Yeah.